Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to create application using the CLI. So in the previous video, we have covered how we can create the application using UI, and now let us create a new application from the CLI. Okay, this is my Kubernetes cluster. Okay, kubectl get pod namespace argo cd. kubectl get namespace. Okay, and kubectl get pod. Okay, this is the default namespace, and I have currently nginx test pod is running, and these are the list of namespace, and this is the pod in the Argo CD. Okay, now for creating the application using the CLI, we can use Argo CD app list. Okay, so currently we don't have any application running in the cluster. So now let me create an application. So for that we can use argo cd app create. Okay, using this command we can create the application using the CLI. As you can see here, there are a lot of options which we can use to create the application. So for example, create a directory app, Argo CD app create guestbook, and followed by the repo name and the path where the code is exist, and the destination namespace, whether we want to deploy it in the default namespace or we want to create a new namespace and deploying it there, and the destination server. So here we can give it to the default Kubernetes cluster. Okay, and we can also create a JSONnet app, and here this is an example for creating the Helm app, and this is for Helm app from the Helm repository. So there is a separate repository for the Helm, and using that we can create the application, and this is for creating a customized app, and this is create a multi-source app while YAML file contains an application with the multiple sources. Okay, now let us create a simple guestbook application using this format. Okay, Argo CD app create, and I'm going to use the guestbook app as the app name, and repo going to be okay, this is the repo I'm going to use. Okay, and path, specify the path. So this is the path guestbook, and specify the destination namespace. So I'm going to leave it default namespace. If you want, you can create a new namespace, and then destination server. So this is going to be the default cluster. Kubernetes dot default dot svc. Okay, so now let me create this app using the CLI. Okay, as you can see, guestbook app is created. Now kubectl get pod. Okay, so as you can see, the pod is not coming up. So let me check here. So here we can see there is a missing and out of sync. So we have to sync it manually. So for that, let me use that command argocd app sync followed by the app name. So our app name is guestbook-app. Okay, so now we have synced it manually. And now let me kubectl get part. Okay, now you can see that the pod is running because we have changed it to 3 replica, right? So that is the reason it is deployed 3 pod. Argo CD app list. And here we can see that the application is listed out. And this is the cluster. And we have deployed it in the default namespace and the default project. And sync status is synced. And the sync policy is set to manual. Since it is manual, we have to sync it manually, then only it will be deployed. And this is the repo we are using it. And now if we go to the UI here and refresh, and as you can see, the health status is healthy and sync status, it is synced, and the last sync, okay. Okay, so now we are able to deploy the application using the CLI to our Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.